Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of diving into the sprawling dystopian world of Cyberpunk 2077, but thought your Mac just couldn't handle it? Well, think again. Today we're exploring how CD Projekt Red's epic RPG has made its way to Apple Silicon, and whether Night City is ready for you. Cyberpunk 2077 first launched with a lot of ambition, and its journey has been fascinating. Now with a dedicated Mac version optimized for Apple Silicon, a whole new audience can jump into the shoes of V. We're talking about the Ultimate Edition, which bundles the base game and the Phantom Liberty expansion, offering the complete experience. This isn't just a port, it's a native optimization, designed to leverage the unique architecture of Apple's M-series chips. It typically retails around $70–80 for the Ultimate Edition, but keep an eye out for sales. So, who is this for? If you're a Mac gamer who wants to experience one of the most ambitious action RPGs of the last decade without needing a separate Windows PC or wrestling with compatibility layers, this is for you. The Mac version promises a more streamlined experience, aiming to deliver strong performance directly on your hardware. It stands out because it brings a graphically intensive open-world title directly to macOS, a platform not always known for its AAA gaming library. This signifies a growing commitment to Mac gaming, and that's something we can all appreciate. CD Projekt Red has done significant work to integrate Cyberpunk 2077 with Apple's Metal API, ensuring it can efficiently utilize the unified memory and powerful neural engines of M-series chips. This means that instead of relying on inefficient translation layers, the game communicates directly with your Mac's hardware. The experience aims for fluidity and visual fidelity that's tailored to your specific Mac model. They've even included a special for this Mac graphics preset that automatically assigns settings for an optimal balance of visuals and performance. This attention to native integration is a key design choice that makes playing on Mac a far more viable option than it once was. Now, let's get into the real-world performance, because this is where the rubber meets the road. To run Cyberpunk 2077 natively on Mac, you'll need at least an M1 chip with 60 GB of unified memory. With this minimum, you can expect playable frame rates, often around 40 frames per second at resolutions like 1440 by 900, possibly with Fidelity FX Super Resolution enabled for a boost. For a smoother 60 FPS experience at higher resolutions like 1920 by 1080, you're looking at an M3 Pro chip with 18 GB of RAM as a recommended baseline. If you want to push into high fidelity settings, an M2 Max or M3 Max with 32 GB of RAM will be necessary, often maintaining 60 FPS at 1080p or even 1800 by 1125 with ray tracing enabled. For those with the absolute top-tier machines, like an M3 Ultra or M4 Max with 36 GB of RAM, you can target very high fidelity, and even resolutions up to 2560 by 1440 while still aiming for 60 FPS, though pushing past tracing can still be very demanding, even for these powerful chips. Thermals are generally well managed due to the efficiency of Apple Silicon, but intense sessions will still cause your Mac's fans to spin up, which is to be expected with a game of this caliber. Battery life on MacBooks will take a hit, just like any demanding game, so playing while plugged in is always recommended for extended sessions. The good news is that the native optimization avoids the severe performance penalties often seen with compatibility layers, offering a genuinely respectable gaming experience for a Mac. Beyond the native version, if your Mac doesn't meet the requirements, or you prefer a different approach, you still have option. Cloud gaming services like Nvidia GeForce now offer an excellent way to stream Cyberpunk 2077 with high-end graphics, even on older Intel Macs or lower-spec Apple Silicon models. All the heavy lifting is done in the cloud, and you just need a stable internet connection. Alternatively, tools like Crossover, which leverage the game porting toolkit, allow you to run the Windows version of Cyberpunk 2077 on your Mac. Performance here can vary, but many users report solid results, often on medium settings, making it another viable path. The display quality, input feel, and audio will be as good as your Mac's hardware allows, with controllers being fully supported for an immersive console-like experience. So, how does Cyberpunk on Mac stack up? The fact that it runs natively and well on current Apple Silicon is a significant win. Compared to needing a dedicated gaming PC or a dual boot setup, the native Mac version offers a seamless integration that many Mac users have longed for. For those who already own a capable M-series Mac, it's an excellent value proposition, transforming your work machine into a high-fidelity gaming rig. If you're contemplating a new Mac primarily for gaming, the performance of the M2 Max, M3 Max, and especially the M3 Ultra or M4 Max chips makes a strong case for playing demanding titles like Cyberpunk. It's a testament to the increasing gaming prowess of Apple Silicon. While cloud streaming might offer a higher fidelity experience on less powerful Macs, the joy of owning and running the game directly on your machine is a big draw. Pros: native Apple Silicon optimization offers excellent performance on capable Macs, no need for complex workarounds or Windows, and a truly immersive experience on a platform previously underserved by AAA titles. The furthest Mac preset simplifies settings. Cons: still requires a fairly powerful M-series chip with significant unified memory for the best experience. While performance is good, pushing the absolute highest settings with ray tracing or path tracing can still be extremely demanding. Ultimately, if you own an M-series Mac, especially one with an M2 Pro, M2 Max, M3 Pro, M3 Max, or M3 Ultra chip, and at least 16 GB of unified memory, Cyberpunk is absolutely worth experiencing. The native optimization delivers a truly impressive gaming experience, bringing Night City to life with solid frame rates and detailed visuals. It's a fantastic demonstration of what Apple Silicon can do for modern gaming. That's our look at Cyberpunk on Mac. Have you tried it yet? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and gaming content, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.